Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the new update on WhatsApp that lets you easily view all the shared videos in your group chats on your PC. This is a handy feature, especially if you want to catch up on all the fun moments without scrolling endlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. Next, find the group you want to check for shared videos. Click on it to open the chat. Once you're in the group chat, click on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info page. Now, look for the media section. Click on it to see all the shared media files, including videos, images, and documents. Finally, browse through the videos to find the ones you want to watch. You can easily click on them to play or download if needed. And there you have it. You can now easily access all shared videos from your WhatsApp group on your PC. Happy viewing.